frozen ice bubbles. And before we can do that, we need some supplies like bubble worms and the mixture. So to make the mixture, we need 1 cup of warm water, and let's just pour that
Why
in.
does the water have to be warm?
The water has to be warm so everything that we're putting in dissolves. Then we add some of this dish soap. Doesn't have to be blue. It just has to be
That's about enough.
something that bubbles.
That's about enough. Please close the lid so it doesn't cause a mess. Uh-huh. What else needs to go in?
Put in a 4th cup of cornstarch. That's about enough, right?
What does the cornstarch do? What's the trick that the
cornstarch
cornstarch
is
do?
so that the bubbles don't go boom, so they don't explode, because otherwise the water evaporates and the bubbles would pop too quickly in order for them to be able to freeze. Then add a spoonful of sugar.
Wait, what? Sugar? Why would you add sugar? To
so
make them sweet?
No, to make it so it crystallizes better and you can see the crystals
Yeah,
easier.
put the sugar in. Looks pretty yucky actually.
Yeah, and then you just put a spoonful of sugar in your mouth.
Oh, wait, sugar in your mouth now. Okay, then you stir it up, right?
With the spoon.
But be careful, don't make it so frothy.
Don't make it frothy, right?
Yeah, just stir it up. It can look ugly.
No,
Eleanor has food coloring.
We don't need food coloring.
kinda
It doesn't really do anything
We
to
have
it.
tried the food coloring once, right? And it didn't do very much. So yeah, you stir it up.
It's sticky.
Yeah, it's sticky. It needs to dissolve. Everything needs to dissolve, but don't make it too frothy, so that the bubbles don't form yet.
Oh, it's fine.
So, and once you're done with the stirring, what's the last step that we need to be doing with this solution? What helps tremendously for the freezing
Then
later on when we go outside? Elena, can you help me open the freezer? We're going to put... Thank you, Elena.
There.
There. And we need to make sure that we set a timer. So let's set the oven timer to 20 minutes because we don't want to freeze the bubble solution already. Okay. And that is everything for the preparation that we need.
Today we're freezing bubbles, and here's an example of what we're doing. I would pick it up, but it's stuck to the table. Oh, it's not. But it's kind of popping now. Let me put that down. So some quick so as you can see, we have all our stuff here, and some quick information is that it has to be in the minuses in Celsius. So we for this to work, and and after you blow the bubble, which can't be too big, it has to be guarded from the wind too in order for it to freeze. It takes a minute to freeze, and we'll show you how to mix the solution later because it's freezing. And yeah. So let's get freezing, and should I do it with a spoon or should I just?
I would do it with the spoon, Miriam.
Okay, I'll do it with a spoon first. Take the spoon and take a little bubble straw. Go. And while you're doing that, I'll just some more over here.
It's beginning to freeze. The temperature is not really cold anymore. It was minus 17 Celsius earlier this morning, but now it has been going to minus 10 only or 11, so that makes the whole freezing process a little slower, but it's still freezing over, as you can see here. Did you produce another one, Miriam?
Yeah.
Now, while this one is freezing, why don't you take a normal wand and try to make a bubble that is floating, because those freeze as well. Put it in there.
Wait. Like a floating and freezing bubble?
Yeah, a floating freezing bubble. It will pop, but I will try to record this. I'll blow it slowly, because those won't freeze. You need to blow it very slowly. Exactly. There, it's starting to freeze already. That's actually pretty cool.
This is not a time lapse.
I have not seen this before. Meanwhile,
FYI, this
This
is
one
not
here.
a time lapse.
this one here,
Just saying,
you
this
can
is
barely-
not a time
you
lapse.
can barely
Look.
see it, but it is.
Look,
it
this
is.
is already frozen. It's an icicle.
This is really cool.
It's an icicle
This is the first time that I've
bubble.
seen it. Look, hold it still so that I
I
can film it.
Guys, guys, make sure to like the video because, I mean, first of all, this is epic, and secondly, it's freezing out, so like the video.
There you go. This one is frozen. Miriam, if you would like to tap on it, you can see that it is frozen. Take a small straw and tap lightly on it. There you can see.
It
It's
looks
very
like plastic
fragile.
now.
It's very fragile.
Hit the ice.
Okay, that
Lucky.
concludes the first part. Let's see what else we can do. Do you have a formula for saying goodbye?
So, yeah, and Min out. Okay, so I know that the video already ended, but I just want to do this, see what happens, because, well, my dad doesn't know what's gonna happen, so, well, we do know what's gonna happen, we just want to show you how it freezes, so.
Slow, slow. Yeah, that's cool. There you go. And now we're going to do a.
Time lapse.
Let's see.
You might have
This is-
Yeah, and men out.